Ayan guys, good afternoon ano. Uh, Konting heads up lang regarding sa ano, tingnan muna natin yung gold. Ayan, so yesterday today I posted kaninang morning 2 hours ago. Sabi ko, ito yung ito yung perception ko sa gold. Okay? So, ito yon sa barrier niya. So, kung dadalhin natin, gold was able to break this barrier, this volume cluster. Ayan. This one is a volume cluster. Alam nyo ibig sabihin nun. So, I was looking forward na dun sa unang drawing ko, sabi ko, pagdating niya rito, it's either babagsak pa siya rito kasi kukuha siya ng price dito. Kukuha sana siya ng best price dito before sana mangyari to. Pero ang nangyari, nag-build lang siya ng cluster dito and then he was able to go there. So, in my anticipation, baka i-hit pa niya itong previous high of yesterday kasi meron namang mga news eh. So, gold was hoping na someone is waiting here. Pagdating dyan, baka ibagsak din siya dito before siya lumipad to complete the cycle sa 4 hours, which is meron ding volume cluster na nandito naghihintay, which are sellers also waiting. Pagdating dyan, baka ibagsak din siya. Bakit ganun yung bakit ganun yung anticipation ko? It's because kung titingnan natin sa volume niya dito, wala namang kung titingnan nyo, the volume of the seller in this area is very high, pero nung pullback niya, itong takbo niya ngayon, itong pullback niya, he was not able to create a volume. Wala naman siyang na-create na so much volume. Kaya for me, based on my quant analysis din doon sa data natin sa kabila, it will hit this part. It will challenge this previous high before niya i-drop. Kung hindi man to mangyari ngayon, kung mangyari to ngayon pero itong drop, baka hindi siya umabot dito, baka sa Lunes na to or maybe on the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, ganun. Yun lang ang anticipation ko. So, we will also give update sa Euro USD natin. Ayan, we have an entry dito kanina. So, mga around 11 yata yun. Ayan dito. Ayan, I was able to give the na entry point, which is dito yon. And this is a pure quant analysis, no? Pure quant analysis. Ibig sabihin, the AI itself drew the pattern. So yung pattern, sinundan lang natin yung pattern to tapos check natin kung tama ba yung kasi every pattern, nakita ko kasi during my review, may mga figure siya number. Before mabuo ang isang pattern, may mga numbers na kailangan siya i-comply. So, ito na yun. So, we have an entry here. Ayan. Ayan. So, ito yung RR nung first. 1:1 lang siya. Pag TP2 naman, 2:36 na. Tapos, pag TP3 is 4:26. Yan lang. So, eto na, kung titingnan natin, we have an entry dito kay Sir Junjay. We have already garnered $12.80 at a 0.1 lot size. Then, we have also tested dun sa main account ko. Ayan. So, wag nyo na itong pansinin sa main account kasi may mga negative yan kasi I was running at Quantum AI. Ayan. So, AI yan. So, ito lang tingnan nyo. So, meron tayo Euro USD that is around 6,550. And we have also a small account here. Ayan. Already garnered around 23.40 USD. So, maya-maya, I will be moving 5 pips plus pag nag 25 pips to. Okay? Ayan. So, that would be all for the update. Thank you and God bless.